Good evening and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video we continue now to apply the cosine rule together with the sine rule. And in example 9 of shape and space 10, we are told that in triangle ABC, find angle A correct to 3 significant figures. This is the angle A. That is the angle A to 3 significant figures. And when we look at the question, we have side A, opposite angle A, side B, opposite angle B, and side C, opposite angle C. And it's very clear that we cannot use the sine rule here. And even if you were to use the sine rule, let's just try and see whether we can use the sine rule. If we said 9 over the sine of A is equals to probably 8 over the sine of angle B. And here you realize that we have two unknowns. We don't know angle A and we don't know angle B. So this one is not going to help us. So this one is not going to be, it's not possible. The sine rule will not work here. So definitely what we need now to engage is the cosine rule. And we say this, A squared, which is now 9 squared, is equals to B squared, which is 8 squared, plus 11 squared minus 2 times 8 times 11 multiplied by the cosine of angle A. I hope we all remember that the cosine rule is actually A squared is equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of A. This is what we are applying now here, which is here. And as you can see, this is basically 81 is equals to 64 plus 121 minus 11 times 8 is 88. 2 times 8 times 11 is 176 minus 176 multiplied by the cosine of A. This one is very direct because we only have one unknown, which is the angle A. And as you expect, we are going to have 81 is equals to 121 plus 64, which is 185, 185 minus 176 multiplied by the cosine of A. And because we are interested in angle A, and we are interested in angle A, and the whole term is negative, we would rather have it cross over to this side, and we have 176 multiplied by the cosine of A is equals to 185. Now 81 now crosses over to be subtracted from that. And as you can see, 176 cosine of A is 185 minus 81, which is easily 104. At that point, we can divide both sides by 176 and 176. And this one will give us that the cosine of A, because that will cancel out, is equals to 104 divided by 176, which is 0.5909, which is, and if you want now to even use the fraction form, is 13 out of 22 to be accurate. 13 out of 22, which we have found to be 0.590909 recurring. Now, if the cosine of A is this, what is A? So the cosine inverse of 13 out of 22 or 0.59 is actually the angle. A is equals to the cosine inverse of this. So shift cosine of answer is going to give us 53.77 degrees, basically, which is 53.8 degrees. And that is just like it. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video.